Guerra looking to limit the damage and escape this 2-on, 2-out jam. With Lewis off a second, Urania off a third. Now 2 dead for Tyler Wilson, who's also had himself a great series so far, with a homer and 3 RBIs in 2 games played. Fastball up and away. Second inning. 1-0. Popped up. Foul on the left side of the infield. 1-1. Off speed in there for 1-2. Off speed in the dirt. And the count levels it. Eligible to sign at 16. 2-2. Tapped foul. Looks like it got a piece of the lower body with the Tarpons. 2-2. Breaking ball grounded sharply right side. Backhanded by Chirinos. Kicks off his glove. No play. Urania comes across to score. Back pick throw to third. Where first pitch is shot into right field. That's down for a base hit. Coming around to score is Shaw. Throw goes to third base. Jimenez stops at second. It's an RBI base hit for Edward Duran, who now the infield is first time to the plate. As the first pitch changed up low and away. Count goes 1-0. Different graphic. As the 1-0 check swing. Did he go around? No, he did not. Aw, that would have been very fun and very well timed. 2-0. Breaking ball in there for a called strike. Here it is from Vasquez. Swing and a miss. It's 2-2. They were challenging if it was a ball or a strike, as the 2-2 is smacked down to deep center field, sending Joseph back, and that is gone. Bye-bye baseball. Tyler Wilson, dead central. After Wami Vasquez gets 2 quick strikeouts here in the top of the third, Tyler Wilson greets him with his second home run of the series. It's Wilson's 3rd homer of the season. And Dunedin extends, or Tampa extends their lead, I should say, to 4-2. Smokes this one into right field. That's down for a base hit. Rodriguez getting the wave around third. Here comes the throw from Wilson. It's cut off, and Rodriguez slides in head first safely. An RBI single for Sam Shaw, who continues to tear the cover off the ball. Sits back on the breaking ball and rocks it into right field.
Shortstop number 29, Leo Jimenez.
Left 2 on base. As the first pitch from Johan Simon is a breaking ball inside to Tyler Wilson. Walk, walk, strikeout, double, single, single, strikeout, single, single, flyout. Fast Lisandro Rodriguez and Sam Shaw. Breaking ball in there, it makes it 2-2 on Wilson. 2-2 pitch. Fouled off the glove of Duran, couldn't squeeze onto it. Through 35 pitches in the first inning. 2-2 breaking ball in the dirt. Last few nights, only 2 hits yesterday. 3-2, fouled into the glove of Duran for strike 3. In the first inning, after scoring 2 runs, his pal rockets this one down the right field line. That's a fair ball into the corner. Around second base, he's on his way. Around first, he's on his way to second, I should say. Slides it head first safely with a double, his 3rd of the season. Moves up to third base.
Right fielder number 8, Tyler Wilson.
Brings up Tyler Wilson, who's 2 for 3 on the day with an RBI single and a homer. Still a runner on third. It's a 3-run game. 9-6, Dunedin still leads. Simone's allowed a pair of runs in the frame. Looking to keep it right there. First pitch to Wilson is a breaking 20-20 as well. It's the 1-0. Is rolled on the first base side foul. Scooped up Blue Jays. Took a couple years off as the 1-1 swung on and missed. Working for the Jays. 1-2. Is lined right back up the middle. That's a base hit. Urania comes across to score an RBI base hit for Tyler Wilson. His 3rd ribby of the day, and the deficit is cut to 2 runs. And will bring the tying run to the plate in the form of a drive line kind of performance center as the 2-2 is fisted down the right field line. That's a fair ball. Shaw comes around to score. Here comes Jimenez. No throw. It's a 2-run single off the bat of Kenry Chirinos. For Canadian players is the 0-2. Grounded through the right side of the infield. That's a base hit. Joseph is going to get the late stop sign at third. And a base hit for Manny Beltre, who gives a huge fist pump on first base. Beltre fired up. First pitch to Wilson. He's roped in right field. That's down for a base hit. Lewis will score easily from third. Arnold cuts it off in the corner, fires it in. And in second base ahead of the throw is Wilson with an RBI double. His fourth hit, third RBI, should say fourth RBI of the day. Fourth hit and fourth RBI. So a big day for Tyler Wilson at the plate.